What is up, everybody? Welcome to Investor Center, otherwise known as your place for everything stock related. Before we get into the video, the views and ideas shared by me regarding the stock market over here on this channel are for educational purposes only. I'm not responsible for any profits or losses that one makes by trading on these views or ideas. Now that we got this disclaimer out of the way, let's get into a little bit of background on what Palantir is. So the company was founded in 2003, 17 years ago. Their main focus was on building products for the U.S. defense and intelligence agencies, and the company says that its software platform, which is named Gotham, enables users to identify patterns hidden deep within datasets. So it's basically a data dashboard. Along with the software, Palantir offers ongoing services to help customers use it, which has reportedly included building custom software for clients. In total, Palantir has about 125 customers, and that list includes some big names. So there's one pretty controversial one that you need to take into account because a lot of people look at it and be like, I don't know if we should go. Like to me that it made me kind of hesitate, and that is being ICE. Yes, ICE, border control, deportation, whole nine, right? They use the platform. I know BP uses the platform, Ferrari uses the platform, Airbus uses the platform. So those are some big names for the company's private sector clients. A big thing to realize is that they mainly deal with the government. They have about 67% of all contracts with government agencies. They control that sector. It's about $1.5 billion in federal government contracts. So that's pretty heavy. It's pretty steep. So that's something to also keep in mind. Once that government sector runs out, if they don't monopolize on the government sector, where are they going to move to? I know they have a couple public companies under their belts, like Verizon, I know is in there, and Raytheon Technologies. Now, this next part to me is where I think the biggest news has come from, and as to why I'm so excited to be investing and holding them for the long term. This right here. So they announced today, I believe this was on November 18th, so less than a month ago. They announced that it was chosen by the U.S. Army to receive one of two prototype contracts for the Common Data Fabric and Data Security Solution to support network design experimentation for the Army's network modernization set of technology, termed Capability Set 23. Now, the reason why this is so big is this portion right here. That, right? This marks the first time that Palantir's Gotham software is being integrated with the Army's latest Mission Command software application. So that is huge news. November 18th, I believe. Yeah, it didn't even, it probably was a catalyst for this run, but now it's dipping, right? This is the whole. I think it's worth at least $70 to $80 a share. Now, granted, it's not going to get there in a year, right? It's going to take some time, but I think this company is definitely worth some money in the long run. This is also something that I want to take a look at. So, this is their earnings report. It looks really good on paper. It's fantastic. But before I say anything, their report of earnings, their expected EPS, was, I believe, negative 0.24, and they reported a negative 0.96. Right? So to people that does not look good in that sense, but they're bringing in revenue, they're bringing in profits, they're bringing in contracts. So I'm just going to go over a few of those. I went over one. There's two more in here in their overview and their summary, and then that'll be the end of the video. So they reported a 52% increase year over year in the third quarter of revenue, $289.4 million. Amazing. Their full year 2020 revenue guidance was raised to a range of $1.07 billion to $1.072 billion. So that's a 44% increase year over year. They had the new contracts in the third quarter, which include the one that I went over with you guys, the U.S. Army, which was $91 million. They had one with NIH, which was $36 million. and they had a $300 million renewal with aerospace customers. So to me, that's fantastic, right? The demand for their software is increasing steadily over the past year in the face of, significant economic and geopolitical uncertainty. To me, that is, and they're not just staying in the United States. They're going to branch out to the UK, I believe, shortly. That was something that I saw recently. So they're not just going to be stuck here. Once the government contracts, they have the monopoly. Like I said, 67%, that's massive. So they're going to start, I believe, hopefully, fingers crossed, branching out to different countries, which is also amazing. I believe the $289.4 million is $9 million above the high end of their prior guidance raise. It is, yeah, it's right here. Yeah, it's $9 million above their prior, which is the high end, which is fantastic news as well. That is all I have for you guys today. So if you guys have any questions, want to say anything, any advice, leave it in the comment section down below. Please don't forget to hit that thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, maybe hit the notification bell to know when a new video comes out. That'd be fantastic. So thank you guys for tuning in. I appreciate all the support on the first video. You guys killed it. I believe we had 100 views and we had 20 likes. So that is, for my first video, that's fantastic. I appreciate the support. And I can't wait to see you guys in the next video. Much love to everybody. Peace out.